Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Willie. Today we're going out and trying to catch some big mangrove snappers. We had an amazing day on the water yesterday. My GoPro started messing up and I couldn't record yesterday, and I'm very upset because it was an amazing day yesterday with my buddy Dave and his buddy that he works with. So today we're gonna try to run out, get some bait, and we're gonna fish the bridges and try to catch some big mangrove snappers. Something to keep, and I might try to do a catch, clean, and cook depending on how many we get. Hopefully we can get bait, and yeah, so guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're just gonna sit here and try to get some chum. Or try to chum up some bait. Sorry about that. Sometimes it comes fast, sometimes it comes slow. But we're gonna chum up. All right, guys, I just finished getting bait. I ran around a few spots. Bait was a little tough today. I was able to get about 4 dozen pieces, so we're gonna go with that. I got some mojaras, some greenbacks, a couple threadies. So we're just gonna fish with that, see if we can get on a good little bite here. I'm trying to wait for that incoming tide to start, which it doesn't start till we're just coming out of slack tide, so it's just starting to come for an incoming tide. So we're gonna sit here and rig up really fast and see if we can get us some fish. Guys, we just had our first hit. Fortunately, I wasn't recording it. Felt like a good fish. Let's try a smaller Mahora. See if that'll do any better. What I did with these Mahoras, since they swim so fast, I just trimmed off the tail. That way when they get down there, it's just, as soon as they see them, it's no swimming away. You're just gonna get hit. Pretty much what that comes down to. See if we can get one of these nice snappers down here. Oh, there it is. Felt like a good hit. Oh my gosh. Wow, broke me off. Gotta be kidding me. Oh, there we go, guys, gonna hit. There we go, guys. Got it. Got it. Oh, nice snapper. Nice snapper. That looks like it's close to being a keeper. Not sure. Hit that whole Mahara. Oh, dude, let that thing go. Gonna measure this guy up. See? Might be a little short, probably about 9.5, 9.25 probably. That's typically what they are. Yeah, she's short, 9. Let's see if we can get a bigger one. All right, nice. They're loving these Mahoras. And all I'm doing is just cutting off the tail, just so they can't swim as fast. And he'll stay alive just like that. Right next to the structure. Oh, already got hit. He's getting hit already, guys. He's getting hit already. Come on. Get him. There it is. Oh my gosh, that was a big one, guys. That was a big one. Wow. Jeez, did he have me in there? He had me far in there. Jeez, come on. All right, let me retie. Both rods up now. There we go, guys. That's a big snapper. That's a big snapper, guys. Oh my God. There we go. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is a fat snapper. Whoo, guys. Look at the size of that snapper. Wow, let's measure him. That is a big mangrove snapper. Jeez. Heck yes. All about downsizing that hook. Let's see how big he is. He is 12.5 inches. It's going in the box. Yes, sir. Go get some ice in there in a second. All right, guys. I'm gonna open my net just in case we get a big snook or something, because there are some big snooks here. Just in case. Never know. All right, let's see if we get another one. He had me all in that structure. I have to check my leader because he had me pretty far in there. Wow, look at that, guys. He almost broke me off. My mono split in half. My fluorocarbon is split in half all the way down. We barely got him, guys. Let's retie. There it goes, guys. Got him. Got him. Finally. Oh, that's definitely a keeper. Heck yeah. That's about 10.5 inches there. Yeah, that's definitely a keeper. Heck yeah. All right, guys. Got another keeper for the box. Sweet. Yep, that's about 10 inches. Yeah, that makes it. Uh-oh, let's see if we can get a nice little dock monster. There he is. Oh. Oh. I love coming in after a long, hard day and trying to catch a couple of little dock monsters. There's 1,000 people at the ramp anyway, so. Let's just see if we can play one of these little guys while we wait. As soon as they hit the water. There we go. Oh. Go, guys, nice little snook. All right, guys, I got hit too. He didn't get me. He got you? Nice, you stuck him? Hell yeah, dude. What is it? Jack? Oh, I had one too. Oh, dude, you took me out of the school. Oh, Billy got him a nice little jack. I got hit too. I got hit as soon as you got hit. Yes, sir. Yeah, I know. I was hoping a cobia would came and smoked. Billy wanted a cobia or something. All right. First fish on the boat today. Billy got old jackaroo. Look. It felt like something dunked it though, but I guess not. That's what, yeah, that's what probably what it is. Oh, God. There it goes. Got one, guys. I got one. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Yep, that's a nice red. That's a nice red right there. Yeah. I have to open that thing, dude. I have to open it. Snook. Oh my God, nice snook. It was alright. It wasn't bad. Huh?
You lose him?
Yeah, he popped, dude. Yeah. Guys, we're on. We're on. Oh my gosh. We're on. That's a lot of head shakes, dude. Gosh, that's a lot of head shakes. Wow. Yeah, I think that might be a jack. Yeah. Yeah, jack. Pretty nice jack, but that's definitely a jack. Yep. Nice little jack. All right. Got a skunk off the boat, guys. Me and Billy out here trying to put some fish on the boat real quick before it gets dark. Billy got a jack, I got a jack so far. Probably gonna move to the front side and see if I need those pliers. He swallowed that. He definitely swallowed that good. Jeez. Here we go. All right, guys. Nice little jack. Not bad. Start the day. Let him go. See ya. Hooked up. Oh, he spit it? Nope, still on. Big lady? Big lady. Holy sheesh. That is a big lady right there. You're ready to move spots. Hooked up to a lady. Actually, I'm gonna how to keep us moving actually. There we go. Stud ladyfish. And normally don't hook these guys. Oh, just came off. Oh well. It's not expecting to get hit like that. There it goes. Reeling into the boat. Came out the bush. You kidding me? I barely got this guy. Barely caught him, but I want my hook back there. Leave that hook in there. Alright, put it in the guy. Let him go. Oh, Billy got him? Nice, dude. Yes, sir. Billy gave him the old Bill dance. Oh my God. Dude, Billy gave him the Bill dance. Yes, sir. All right, got another one. Let's go. Got it. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, I missed him. He just might be like a little school of them sitting in there. Honestly. Oh my gosh. Freaking mosquito. God damn it, these mosquitoes. Whatever they are. Good gracious almighty. Oh shit. Oh shit. You got him. God. Oh God. There gotta be another one sitting there. See if there's another. Oh, got him. As soon as he hit. There it is. No, that might be a little bit better. Nah. What guy? Not bad. Get out the motor. Why you sit here fighting like you're a 30-inch freaking fish? Well, I'm only fighting him on a 2,000 or 2,500, but All right. I get me another one after a little while. There we go, guys. Nice little snicky. Try to get us another one. Yes, sir. I'm gonna do it for that video. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to film an outro when I did that video. I pretty much put 2 videos pieced together. There was a tough bite out there for the snappers. I did get them the day before when I went with my buddy Dave. Might throw some pictures in here, I'm not sure. We got on a great bite. Unfortunately, my camera wasn't working that day and it wasn't recording right, so I wasn't able to record the video, which I wish I was able to, because we got on a heck of a bite that day. I ended up going out with Billy yesterday, so I ended up just pretty much mashing 2 clips together just to give you guys a quick little video. I do have a few more videos I'm editing right now coming out soon. I do got a black pearl video coming out very soon that I did a review of, that I just bought, a 12-foot 3/8. So I'm gonna do a full video of that, tutorial of that to give you guys. So I mean, we end up catching some fish. I ended up getting a few snapper. I got 2 keeper snappers that day, and then the next day me and Billy got on some jacks, snooks, stuff like that. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel. I hope you hit that like button. I will be giving more content. Until the next video, tight lines. Peace.